Not quite sure what kind of bird that is, but let's go see. Shh, be very, very quiet. He's kind of a looky-loo. He's got a red head. Could be a woodpecker. Woody woodpecker. Find out. Shh. Well, whatever he is, he sure is cool. Yeah, a woodpecker. Maybe that's what a woodpecker looks like. I've never seen one. I've only seen Woody Woodpecker cartoons. Probably going to scare him away, but let's see if we can get in there. You guys can tell me what he is, but he's pecking on wood. Maybe he's looking for food. Yep. He's pecking on our wood. Little stinker. Hey, buddy. Never know what you're going to find out here at the Ten Commandment Park. Hopefully it doesn't. Anyway, Pastor Scott tripping on this little bird.